Orchard, and as you can see behind me, that's a fog chiller. Maybe you know that, maybe you don't. And you're probably thinking, Zach, it's December, this isn't a Christmas prop. Well, maybe it is. We actually use fog in our Christmas show for just probably 2 or 3 sequences this year. But what I wanted to show you is this fog chiller to enhance the fog effect of just a regular small fogger. Make it low-lying fog, but to me it actually makes it bigger. I have a little 400 watt fogger over there, and well, to start off first, Home Depot had a black lid. They did not have a black bucket, so as you can see I spray painted this, but around the top it does not work. I mean, it just instantly started peeling, so we're gonna have to figure that out, but that's not the issue right now. So what I did was I put the 1 1/4 inch outlet in the back, and you'll just put the fogger up against that. Actually leave 1 inch or 2, maybe 2 fingers. Let the fog blow in, and then another 1 1/4 inch exit for the fog. The one thing I would do different, I would probably go 2 inches or maybe even 2 1/2, make it bigger, and I still may take that out and do that. But all that's in there, it's simple. It's 3 elbows. You'll see it comes up and then back over and then down. And what that does is when the fog shoots in, and I'll add more details to this, but we put a little mesh over that intake so that ice doesn't get in there. I got water coming out. So ice doesn't get in there, but when we fill that with ice, fog blows in, starts to settle on the ice, chill, and it will work its way up through this elbow and down, and it'll come out. So there's nothing to it really. We'll fill it full of ice. We'll leave a few inches below that elbow so it has room, and we'll go ahead and add a video of it in action. But essentially it's 3 elbows. It's just going to depend on what you use, but since I use this bucket, I only use 10 inches of vertical pipe, and then these are about 4 inches in and out. And that's it, and a bucket and ice. All that for under $25 makes a pretty good fog chiller, but let's see it in action. All right, so I have it out here set up on my work table, and you can see I haven't even hit the button again, but it's pouring out from what's built up in the bucket that has ice in it, and it's just kind of diving down and going across this table like that. So of course when I hit the button with the force, it comes out straight and kind of up in the air a little bit, but it immediately dives back down once I let off of it, and just kind of pours out of there. And of course we'll just kind of scoot across the yard, being colder than the air. But yeah, there's the simple DIY under $25 fog chiller. So and of course the more you hit that button down or just put it on the timer, it'll continue to fill that bucket and kind of roll out. But there it is. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, maybe drop a comment. Thank you.